Today we will go through the settings for the RJS i5000 laser with CR2 or CR3 scan head. It is important to note that the laser scan head is a partial ISO analysis measuring decodability only. It does not measure reflectance values. Although there is no field calibration for this particular unit, it is recommended to factory calibrate annually to ensure compliance with the ISO standards for decodability. First, we will go into the settings by pressing the print icon and the right arrow. To get to the laser settings, scroll down until you see CR2 or CR3 settings. The first setting in this section is the number of scans. Here you can use the left and right arrow keys to change the number of scans from 1 to 10 or continuous mode. We suggest continuous mode to get a large number of scans and provide an average of multiple scans. The minimal % decode can be adjusted by pressing select and then using the up or down arrow. This feature allows you to set the minimum percentage of readable scans. For example, if the minimal decode % is set at 0 and you complete 10 scans of a code with 9 of the 10 scans being unable to be decoded, but 1 scan decoded and passed, it will appear that your code passed overall. We suggest setting this at 50% to ensure that at least half of the scans were able to be decoded. We do not suggest turning the compare mode on for the basic use of the i5000 laser. Remember to save any settings you change by scrolling to the very bottom and hitting exit with save. This concludes the basic settings of the RJS i5000 laser. Please see our other videos for more information or contact us for further questions.